Why would anyone want trucks bound for the junkyard?
Crash tests, maybe?
But the light bearers are all busy. We can't find anyone to... Wolf, you made it. It happened so suddenly. We were worried there wouldn't be any light bearers who could help.
What's wrong?
Ezzo's missing trucks.
Yes. When I was out on patrol, I found a damaged truck abandoned in the middle of the road. Real suspicious, if you ask me.
Then what?
Well, I wanted to find out what its deal was, but there was some cabal nearby.
If I take out the cabal, then you could get a good look at the truck. Where was it?
Follow me. Once those cabal are dealt with, we should be able to use the truck's serial number to figure out where it came from. Just be careful not to hit the truck in the crossfire. The light bearers arrived. What's the situation?
No sign of Cabal reinforcements, but I don't think there's anyone in the vehicle either. Very little resistance.
Good. You're up, Wolf.
Better stick to the auto rifle. I don't want that truck blowing up on me. Let's go, Zev.
Nice and clean. I knew we could count on you, Wolf. Didn't even see you lift a finger.
But I literally didn't lift a finger. Zev, did you catch what happened?
I picked up an intense light pattern. Another light bearer? I'm sensing solar spectrum frequencies coming from... Oh, over there.
A light bearer? I definitely remember clothing like that if I'd seen them before. Maybe they're new in town?
Hey! Nice shooting! Thanks for the help! How about a drink? My treat!
Another ploy.
As expected. Where's the next truck?
The tracker's still on the move. It's at the Sandy Mines now. Northwest of us. Cabal territory.
Seems our old friend is as vigilant as ever. Let's go. See what hole that snake is hiding in this time.
This place reminds me of where I first found you. It's every bit as dry and hot as the Mojave Desert.
A familiar backdrop to settle the score. If that's how the cards are gonna play out, I'll take it.
Assuming these leads really do take us to him, he's bound to have a trap waiting for us.
Of course. If you walk up to a snake, it's going to try to bite you. That's what they do. Finding a trap means we're on the right path.
An obstacle.
Keep yourself safe.
There's our target.
Let's take a closer look.
still radiating from the engine. This truck must have just been abandoned. But the bed is filled with radiant sight, unlike the one used to deceive us. It's a legitimate mining vehicle.
Seems we caught up with him. Ready to meet our old friend, Hartford?
Not so fast. We need to gather more evidence. Something concrete, to confirm it's truly him. And besides, you're the one who's all about preparation. Someone's approaching.
Who's there?
Hey, easy. We're not looking for any trouble. Were you the one who took out those Cabal just now? You're fast on the draw. Accurate, too. Really impressive.
What are you here for?
You're tracking these mining trucks, right?
I'm not obliged to answer that.
Don't get it wrong. I'm not investigating you. I'm investigating the trucks. If our goals intersect, we might as well trade some info, right?
A decent proposal? I accept. So, how much do you know about the radiant site smuggling business around these parts?
You're saying the vehicles are part of a smuggling operation?
Just an educated guess. And I don't like people answering my questions with more questions.
Alright then. I'll tell you what I know. Since the Cabal have control over most of the mines, that leaves a lot less radiant site for Viridia, be it freshly mined or stored. And the rarer a resource is, the more value it has in illicit trades, right?
Indeed. That's what my employer's having me investigate. What about you? Why are you so focused on these trucks?
They're supposed to be back at Viridia waiting to be scrapped. But as you can see, they're not. The residents are wondering why a bunch of vehicles bound for the junkyard would be scattered across the Red Sea Rift.
There's a high chance we're looking into the same matter. You mind your business, I'll mind mine. Fair warning, though. I won't show any mercy if someone gets in my way.
Wait. If we're investigating the same thing, we could avoid any conflict entirely by working together. As long as you're willing to find out how these mining trucks ended up in a smuggler's hands along the way.
I don't work for free.
Don't worry. Lord Saladin may have a bit of a temper, but he's always been a generous guy. He's a man of his word, too.
It's a deal. What's your name?
Wolf. How about you?
Jaren.
The people in Viridia might be able to provide a lead on our smuggler.
Yeah. Let's start investigating in town.
Wait. How long do I have to wait? Any longer and they'll be dead.
Hey there. Mind if I ask you a question? I see the price of radiant sites getting higher lately. Any idea why?
Are you new here?
Yeah. Just trying my luck. Seeing if I can strike it big.
You came at the wrong time then. Right now there are plenty of workers, but not much ore. If you're looking to break into the radiant site business, you'll have to get in line.
Windfalls don't come by queuing up, though. I'm looking for a balance between risk and payoff. You know the kind.
You mean you're... The Iron Lord strictly forbid it. Don't ask me. I don't know anything.
Hey, fellas. I'm new to the Rift. It's a bit too hot here. You boys know a place I can rest my feet?
Well, you could head to the Miners Association. We've got a lounge for visitors.
The Miners Association, huh? Thanks. Oh, by the way, if I were in the market for some ore, would I have to go through them?
Yeah. Whatever you do, don't try buying it through the miners. Smuggling's strictly forbidden around here.
Appreciate the tip. Was just curious. That sort of stuff's taboo everywhere. But it's also pretty profitable. Theoretically, there's always some under-the-table sales. Is there really none of that around here?
If you're so curious, go try smuggling it yourself.
No thanks. If I was about to start smuggling, I wouldn't be asking about it openly. Besides, that's not the kind of business that brought me to town.
All right. All I can say is, those of us with stable jobs won't go looking for trouble with the law.
Meaning? It'd be worth asking someone who's doing temp jobs or unemployed.
Sorry, I've got to head to work. See you around.
Hey, excuse me.
What can I do for you?
I'm new around here and ready to do some business. But the mining association's got all these procedures. The process is slow. You know how it goes. I'm hoping to find a more agile supply. You know where I can look?
Afraid I don't. I've always tried to stay on the right side of the law. Plus, the folks involved in that line of work seem to have run into some trouble. Frankly, you're out of luck.
You're saying there's only one group of people with connections?
Yeah, and I haven't seen those guys around lately. Oh, the boy they took in came by asking for help, though. Said they were captured. Viridia isn't one to sit by while people are in trouble. But there's no way this is a bigger threat than the Cabal. I say we just wait and see what happens.
Didn't think we'd cross paths with a lead right as we entered town.
You mean that boy who was running outside?
Yeah. Let's see where he went.
Let me see. Yeah, this way. This is the place.
I'm sure I can find some... Who's there?
Hey, relax. The folks in town sent me.
To do what? Collect the bodies?
Watch your temper, kid. That's no way to discuss potential business.
What sort of business would you want with unemployed miners who went missing 3 days ago and a kid who can't do anything?
The kind the other miners are afraid of.
They didn't tell you we were in trouble?
If you're gonna start a shady deal from nothing, then dealing with a little trouble is a given. Now then, you've got problems, and whether or not I can solve them depends on you accepting my sincerity in advance.
There's no way a smuggler would be so generous. What do you want?
Very perceptive. All right, I'll get to the point. I want priority buying rights.
What? I can get you some more goods, but...
Just tell me if you accept the condition. I don't care about anything else.
I can't make that decision. But once you save them, I'll do my best to convince them to agree. Is that okay?
Now then, where are they being held? And what kind of obstacle is going to try to hinder me from saving them?
Well, we'd found this really good mining spot, but then a bunch of Cabal showed up and blocked the exit. And since I was small enough, I was able to squeeze through the cracks in the cave and climb out to get help. It's already been 3 days. I don't know how much longer they can hold out.
Tell me the location.
I want to go with you.
You don't trust me?
Why would I trust a smuggler? Besides, the path's really confusing. And I know all the Cabal patrol routes. I can be your lookout while you rescue them.
The bullets won't avoid you, you know.
I'll hide! Please let me go with you. I need to know they're safe.
Fine. Since you insist.
This is... You're giving this to me?
I'm not expecting you to take down a Cabal by yourself, but at least you'll have something to defend yourself if you get snatched up.
Thanks. My name's Bobak. What's yours?
Jaren.
No time to waste. Let's go.
So what's the deal with you guys? Why go the smuggling route?
Doing a little dirty work's better than starving.
Are your parents among them?
Don't have any. Those guys were the ones who took me in. Gave me something to eat.
Seems they raised you well. Do many people buy ore from you?
We wish. We can't mine enough. We only sell enough to get by. And most of the people who buy from us are weirdos. If we run into another one of those shady bad guys, then...
Bad guys?
I don't mean you. If you saw the man I'm talking about, you'd get it. I hope I never see that snake guy ever... The Cabal! I'll leave them to you.
Good. Now then, kid. Before we get this rescue started, we need to talk something over. I'm interested in that snake-like buyer. You're gonna get me a meeting with him.
What are you doing? You're double-crossing me? For us, the most important thing is keeping this a secret. You wouldn't want me to rat you out if someone asked what you've been up to, would you?
So let me be clear. You don't have a choice. If you want me to rescue them, all you gotta do is agree.
But we'd already come to an agreement!
And I changed my mind. I can save them, but you'll have to get me a meeting with that bastard Mullen.
You know him! So you've been after him all this time! No way! If I sell him out, we're all done for!
You're already done for unless I help. Guess those uncles of yours aren't as important as I thought. 3, 2, 1.
I'll do it! I'll take you to meet Mullen. But you gotta save him, please?
Where are they?
My uncles are in the highest tunnel. You'll have to take out all the Cabal on your way up.
Deal.
This doesn't make sense. I'm picking up signs of human life in the lower caves, not the upper tunnels. There's no need to deal with the Cabal at all.
Luring us away is his best bet at secretly rescuing them. I'll continue ahead. You catch up and take a look.
Look, they're fleeing.
As expected.
Are we going after them?
No. I did what I came here for. As for those suckers who got mixed up with Mullen, we'll pay them a visit once the next step in the plan is ready. After all, we can find that miner boy whenever we want, can't we?
Let me see. The tracker signal is strong. We won't have to worry about losing them, so long as he keeps that dagger with him.
Let's go. Time for some prep work.
You're not seriously going to?
Yeah, I am. Stay put while I take the picture.
Wolf seems a little agitated. Are you sure we shouldn't answer? Also, when are you going to stop being such a control freak?
And here I thought you were used to it.
Used to you obsessively dressing everything to suit your own preferences? No, I'm not. We're supposed to be partners. I have my own aesthetic preferences and aspirations, you know. I should be able to choose my own shell.
No can do.
You weren't always like this, Jaren. Just tell me once it's all said and done, I can finally change out of this.
Wonder what our old friend would think of this. Your aesthetic freedom hinging upon his death.
Back then, I never imagined you two would end up like this.
How so?
One hiding his tracks, always on the run. And the other spending years hunting him down. Traveling more than 10,000 miles just
to take his life.
Now we know that Mullen's smuggling Radiant Sight. What do you plan to do next?
First, we follow the tracker on the dagger to find the kid. Once we find them, we lay a trap for Mullen, and use those guys to flush him out of hiding.
But with how suspicious Mullen is, I'm worried he realized something was wrong when he abandoned that mining truck.
He and I both knew this day would come, and we know that this time, I won't rest until he's dead. Time to close the net around the little mouse. Mark the dagger's location, Hartford.
Just a moment. There.
Let's go.
The signal's been still for a while. You don't think he threw away the dagger, do you?
He wouldn't. That was a good blade.
Inside that cave up ahead.
Let's crash their touching little reunion. Excuse me, but we still have some unfinished business, don't we?
Jaren!
Oh, I was worried you'd forgotten about me. I assume you also remember our deal then.
I'm sorry? You are?
I'm curious. How'd you explain how you were able to free them, kid?
I don't know him, and I have no idea what he's on about.
So this is your decision? You're scared of getting on Mullen's bad side, so you turn your back on me instead.
I don't know what Bobo agreed to, but we can talk this out.
I really don't know him. Don't listen to him.
Bobo, you know lying always comes back to bite you.
I didn't have a choice. The militia said they'd help, but who knows when they'd actually get around to it. And then he came out of nowhere saying he could help me. I know what I did was wrong, but I was worried and...
Don't think like that, Bobo. If it weren't for you, we might still be stuck in that cave. Now that we're all on the same page, let's talk about the deal, shall we?
Thank you for saving us. Don't worry. Whatever he agreed to, we won't leave a debt unpaid.
But he wants to find...
Mullen, I know. He already mentioned it. And if I had to take a guess, it's probably not for anything good. He's a cautious one, though. Do you have any plans to create an opportunity?
Straight to the point. Good. I need you to lure him to an exchange under the guise of selling him ore. As for the rest, that's my business.
Are you gonna kill Mullen?
Bobo!
If he does, we'll be free of the scumbag too!
I'm under no obligation to make any promises.
But...
Every choice has a price, Bobo. Running away only makes things worse. I can accept that plan. Now, the biggest issue is getting enough Radiant Sight for a trade.
I'll take some from the Cabal. You know where they keep their ore?
In the mines. But they keep that place under tight watch.
I can take him!
Don't be ridiculous. You'll stay right here. This has nothing to do with you.
But I'm the one who got us into this mess, Chica. And you know that even if you don't allow me, I'll still sneak out. Besides, nobody here knows that place better than me, right? Jaren, after the Cabal mine their Radiant Sight, they first store it in the sandy mines. And then they take the batches of the stuff to the foundry for processing. If you want ore we can use for a trade, then going to the mines would be best. I know a shortcut. It'll be easier to get there, I promise.
No more tricks this time, I hope.
Don't worry. I know what I need to do. Follow me. It's right down here.
Quite the unique route you've got here.
Oh, a while back, Lord Saladin led some other light bearers here to teach the Cabal a lesson. Thanks to them, we got a new path. Once you go down, just keep heading forward. Their ore is stored right at the end.
All right.
Wait! Take this. I, borrowed it from a Chica. Dynamite. We use it for mining. A Chica's handiwork. It might come in handy.
How generous. You aren't scheming something, are you?
At the end of the day, you did save my uncles, and I've seen how Mullen deals with people who don't fall in line. I don't want that to happen to me and my family. And I know you're definitely not just looking to chat with him. So, if you're gonna take him on, you better win.
You don't think that boy is going to use the Cabal to try and kill us in here, do you?
Hoping he's smarter than that. Besides, he won't put his life on the line.
Then our only worry is getting enough ore. And don't forget to keep some to make that Hartford drone.
You'll like it.
I'll be the one to decide that, thank you very much. This device should be able to lower the platforms on either side. But the control program is in sleep mode. We can't activate it.
I take it that's its control hub?
Here you go again. Using bullets to solve all your problems.
Why not? There. Now it can stay sleeping.
Control hub for the door is marked.
That should do the trick. Hello, hello? Can you hear me? Everything okay over there?
Kid, is that you?
I had a Chica park the truck nearby. Figured you might need something to move the ore with.
You've got a decent head on you.
Of course! I'm not stupid. I know when to do what.
I'm detecting a powerful source of light up ahead.
How strong's that dynamite you brought, kid?
What are you gonna use it for?
To get that wall out of my way.
This stuff's a Chica's specialty. Taking care of a wall's a piece of cake.
Good. You asked for this.
With all this ore, we really did need a truck. You know, I'm starting to like that clever little kid, Jaren.
Yeah. Let him know to come on over. Do me a favor, and drop off a sixth of this ore at that big intersection on the road to Viridia. The rest will be used for the trade with Mullen. You're free to do whatever with it after that.
But that's an awful lot of radiantite. Are you sure? Do you know how much that stuff's worth?
It's compensation for your cooperation.
You've gotta be the most generous buyer I've ever seen.
Now that the ore problem's settled, you can take it back. I'll let you know when we start the next step in the plan.
What about you? Do you want to head back with us?
I've got other business to take care of. Huh. Spitting image. Let the kid know it's time to set the bait. I'm not fluent in bleeps and bloops, but I assume you're scolding me.
First, that's offensive. Second, I'm glad you're aware.
Uh-huh.
Jaren, I scheduled a trade with Malin.
Good. When it's time, just carry out the trade as usual. Act natural. And don't concern yourself with me.
Don't worry. We won't spill the beans. Actually, I wanted to ask you a favor. Don't worry, though. I'll pay you. Once the trade's done, I'll get 1/4 of the Radiant site. I want to give it to you to...
I'm not listening.
But it won't take much of your...
I said, I'm not listening.
You just need to...
I refuse.
I was just hoping you could protect them. They won't say it, but... I know this trade's gonna be really dangerous.
My answer is the same. I won't let anything distract me while I'm facing Malin.
But I'm not asking much. Fights between light bearers are super dangerous. If you're not careful, we can get hidden. Please, I'm begging you. If you can avoid us, then I promise we'll leave as soon as we can. We won't distract you.
Do you need me to spell it out for you?
What?
When it comes to killing Malin, I won't accept even the slightest bit of added risk for any reason. Do I make myself clear?
Yeah. You know, I thought you were different from those other adults. Even if you look like you don't listen to anyone, even if we met in a weird way, I thought you were a good guy, but I was wrong. You're no different from those jerks who use us and then throw us away. Don't worry. I won't try and ruin your plan because of it. I shouldn't have come here hoping for anything.
You may have refused him outright, but when the time comes, I know you'll help him. But even so, did you need to let the kid down like that?
Until Malin's dead, everything else is secondary.
Yeah. But if Marco were still around, I bet he'd like that boy. He's smart, brave, full of energy.
Marco's dead. And he died at the hands of a mutual friend. Right up to the second his ghost was crushed and discarded like trash. He never imagined Malin would betray him.
Nobody could have seen that coming. But...
What?
I know you like the kid too. Are you really not going to look out for them?
No. After all this time, Malin's finally getting what's coming to him. And I won't let anything get in the way of that. It's almost time for the trade.
They aren't here yet. Something's wrong.
Guess the plan's been exposed.
Jaren, an anonymous caller wants to talk to you.
Accept it.
Jaren, you never let up, do you? I crossed an entire ocean, and even then I couldn't shake you.
When did you figure out it was me?
After all these years, your marksmanship hasn't changed a bit. You still use the same bullets, too. I knew as soon as I saw those Cabal corpses. Who else could it be? Originally, I'd thought to destroy the evidence and leave. But I'm tired of running. Look at this desert, Jaren. It's hot, dry. You know what it makes me think of? Oh, I'm sure you do. After all, we were both stuck in the Mojave for all those years, unable to make it out.
You're rambling.
Fine. As impatient as ever, I see. Why do you think those miners were trapped in the cave? Do you know how much work it took to lure those Cabal over? I went to all the trouble of staging the perfect accident. And what do you know? A couple of days later, those damned miners make it out alive. And they want to talk business. Do you think I'm an idiot, Jaren? Marco's been dead for years, but you still can't let it go. Can't let me go. Can't let yourself go.
I will once you're dead.
Ha. How about I give you a new choice? Meet me at the quarry, and I'll let you meet him, free of charge. How's that sound? Oh, right. There's one little thing I almost forgot to tell you. I gave those mortals quite the gift. An in-depth tour of a Cabal firebase. Nice, huh?
You think I care?
If it weren't for you, they wouldn't be in this mess. Are you really gonna sit by and do nothing? I wonder just how disappointed Marco would be if he knew you were sacrificing those mortals to get revenge. Think it over, Jaren.
He sent those things to goad you into saving them. He's never been one to waste effort. There's undoubtedly something fatal waiting for you there. Are you willing to pay the price, though?
How far is it?
Let me see. The signal's in the foundry. Looks like that kid still has the dagger. Shall we, partner?
After all this time, hopefully, Mullen's prepared his last words.
Judging by the signal's position, this is the best route for the rescue.
How's the signal?
Clear as can be. Don't worry.
Let's go.
No, I have to hand it to Mullen. He stops at nothing to get what he wants. Like trapping mortals in a firebase. It's certainly creative.
Pointless is what it is.
I'm a bit worried that after so long, hatred's hold on you has made you ruthless. Some days, I have to remind myself you're not Mullen.
The way you keep bringing up the past is making me think you've gotten owned.
Sorry. It's hard not to get emotional when the end of our pursuit is almost in sight. I'm ready to put an end to this, Jaren. They're right behind this door. This can't be all there is to Mullen's trap. It's a little too lax, wouldn't you say?
Keep your guard up. No doubt he's got something more deadly in store.
Jaren!
You're free. Get out of here.
Jaren.
So this is his escape plan.
I thought you wouldn't come. Mullen showed up at our camp all of a sudden. He blocked the signal before I could tell you.
I know.
There must be something hidden here. I saw him tinkering with some device for a long while. What's that layer of stuff you got all over your body?
The type of energy capable of suppressing the light. Simply put, right now he can't run very fast or jump very high, and his combat abilities have been weakened. And I can't conceal myself either.
You...
No time to dilly-dally. Move it.
But...
Shut it. Don't distract me. Hide here. Only come out once it's quieted down outside.
But you're...
This is not up for discussion.
Get out of here, kid!
You saved our lives. The least we can do is lend you a hand. Watch out! Don't get caught in the blast!
He's not too good at saying thank you. So let me say it for him. Thank you.
Not bad. These ones make for sturdier targets. This is as far as I'll take you. You ought to know the way back from here.
But you're hurt. There's gotta be someone in Viridia who can help you. We can go ask Lord Saladin, or his Iron Wolf.
I've got unfinished business.
You're gonna go looking for him? No, you can't! It's too dangerous! He's definitely set a trap. He's just waiting for you to walk right into it.
Oh no.
Aren't you supposed to be settling a score? Or are you just gonna go die?
Die? No, boy. Not today.
But Mullen's ready for anything. Meeting him's suicide. Why do you absolutely need to go?
So I can hear his last words.
Bobo, head to town and find help. We'll go search for the patrol squad.
Okay.
Oh, you again, huh? Why are you crying?
Huh? What happened?
Is there anyone who can help?
Huh? What's up, kid?
The quarry! Someone... I need someone to... go save him!
Who? Who's in danger?
Jaren! Jaren fell for Mullen's trap!
Jaren needs help at the quarry?
Yeah. You're a light bearer. Could you help him? He's a good guy, please!
Don't worry. I'll head there now. I went to the quarry. There were signs of a fight, and the place was a mess, like something had blown up, but I didn't find Jaren. All I found was this.
What is this?
Part of a ghost shell.
This is... No!
Don't jump to conclusions just yet.
No, you don't get it! Mullen's got a belt of trophies, and he showed it off to me once. The shards it's covered in are all pieces of ghosts he's killed. If you want to kill someone, you gotta shoot for the heart. Life bearers are the same. Take out their hearts first, and you'll win every fight.
That wretched...
Hey, don't cry. I promise, Jaren's got a plan. Before he left, he had me... It might not even be Jaren's ghost, really. It could be... It's okay, just stay calm. Sev, what should I do?
Oh, I'm not too sure myself. I've never really dealt with children.
I'll never see him again. And I didn't even get the chance to say thank you.
Wow. You're a pretty ugly crier, you know.
I'll take that thank you now.